how to passkeys on Binance app. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to add passkeys on the Binance app. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. First, open the app once in the app and then click on the option you see here. Once you click it, you'll notice an arrow button. Go ahead and tap on that. Now you'll be taken to the security section. Click on security and inside you'll see the option to add a passkey, an authenticator app, or other two-factor authentication methods. We're going to choose passkey. After that, tap on add passkey. Next, you'll go through a quick security verification. Simply copy the code provided, paste it into the required field, and then hit continue. After that, you'll need to select the device you want to use for the passkey. Choose your current device. You might also be asked for fingerprint verification or another method linked like Face ID verification to your device's security. Once that's done, you'll see the confirmation that your passkey has been successfully added. That's how you can easily add a passkey on the Binance app. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.